Hi, my name is Ben-Sion Sharif. I'm a volunteer for Masks4docs Israel. I am the site manager for Jerusalem and the surrounding areas. This right now, what I'm wearing is a protective mask that we donate to doctors, medical teams, the army, and the police in order for them to protect themselves from patients with corona, people with corona that they come in contact with. Simple donation of $1 per mask is helping us distribute these all over the country. We've delivered well over 15,000 units. We still need at least 40,000 units to go, or at 40,000 units total. Basically, these are being 3D printed, then the transparency goes over. The material has been donated by so many people, and we're so grateful. Right now we have about 140 kilos of filament that is now being distributed all over the country. And at the moment right now, let me show you. Over here, these are going to Hadassah Ein Kerem. So these are the already built models. We have volunteers here in Beit Shemesh that are arranging them and all over the country that are putting them together, printing them. And with your help, we could print more. Thank you very much. And let's get more masks out there for our doctors and the medical teams that so sorely need it. Thank you.